Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we'll make some amazing stuffs using Canva. So first, we'll open this Dribble website. This website is used for UI inspiration, and I will try to remake this poster. So this is a big shout out to Mark Berlick. And so first, we'll open canva.com and we'll click on this presentation. So I have already saved this shoe from Google, which we'll be using in the poster. And now what we'll first give a background color. I think this color should be good. And then we'll click on this element, we'll create a box, we'll place this above this, and we'll drag it to the right. So this will be like an overlay, and what we'll do is we'll give this the same color and now it looks like there's there's no box there, right? So what we'll do is we'll go to photos and we'll click on shadow. So this will give us a shadow, and we can rotate this. We'll minimize this a little bit, make it small, and we'll click on send to back, and we'll add this behind this box. So this will give us a hovering effect like a shadow. So we'll do this on all four sides. Okay, so guys, I have added very basic shadows behind this box, and honestly I'm not a very good designer, so bear with me if it's not perfect, but still it looks good. So we'll just go with it. So next we'll have to add this text, image, and few other things. So we'll add that, starting with the text. So guys, finally I have completed this remake of this poster, and I think it's kind of good, but obviously there's some. Obviously, it's not perfect, but for a coder, for a non-designer, this is. I think this is pretty neat. Let me know your views in the comment section. So I hope you like this video. Show your support by subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.